So I made 3 t-shirts in the last 2 weeks. Not bad, eh? Welcome to Have Fun Creating. My name is Lucia, and this week I want to talk about my first capsule item that I wanted to make for this year, and that is the t-shirt. Because let's face it, we all need a very good basic t-shirt. The t-shirt that I'm wearing right now is the last one that I've made, and it's from Closet Core, and I think it's just called the Core t-shirt. It's free, so you need to go and download that, and there's links below in the description. Brilliant. I am a 34F, and I'm finding a right size t-shirt that will include the bigger bust. It's been hard, and the fact that this one is free is amazing. They have 2 size ranges for B cup, and for the larger sizes are D cup. I've made the larger size, and it's brilliant. It's the fact that if you can see, it just fits me perfectly well. I love it comes in 2 lengths. I didn't do the short version. I've done the longer version because I'm older and I don't need to show my belly. And I absolutely love it's the right length on that sort of longer pattern, and it's just perfect. It's a very, very, very good sewing pattern. Even better, it's free. So really just go download it. It is brilliant. There are quite a few tutorials online of people showcasing how they've sewn them. Must confess that the neck binding instructions, they're not good. I read them several times and I just didn't get it. Eventually I found an American lady whose name I forget, but I will link below. It is the different types of neck versions that you can have with jersey, which is brilliant. Her video is really good. Then I followed her instructions. I still didn't like how it looked. I tried to do it on the white version of this t-shirt because I did this t-shirt twice. Because why have one when you can have 2? So here is the white version. So yes, here is the white version, and I tried the neck binding and it was awful. So I unstitched the whole thing, which took me longer than actually sewing the t-shirt. But lesson learned, I thought, no, not doing that. Just leave it. It is a great shape, but those instructions on how to do the ribbon or the neck binding off the back, not very good. However, I did try the twin needle with these 2 t-shirts. I'm very pleased at how it came out. Never used a twin needle before, and I think I'm definitely going to do that again for all my future jersey projects. It looks so neat. It just looks really, really good, and I am very pleased. There's another pattern that I have tried before, which I did last year, and that is the Mojo pattern. And this Mojo pattern, I love the V-neck. It is just the right depth for me, and the instructions they're okay. They come in English, which is fine, but I quite like watching video tutorials, and the only one I could find is her own, which is in French, and you have to read the subtitles. So it takes quite a few watches to be able to read and watch what she's doing at the same time. But still, it's a great pattern. It comes with different options. Yes, this is the dress version, but essentially it's a t-shirt that you just elongate up to the bottom. I've also done, as you can see, I've done quite a few of them. I did it on that fabric, and I've done this one. It's the same pattern from Mojo, and this one I'm very pleased on how the ribbon at the top has come up. and the V shape, and it's just a different type of dress slash, well, t-shirt slash dress that becomes longer. I did the flouncy sleeves because I wanted to have a go, and I still wear them. Mainly I wear these dresses for home. I do love them. It's not bad pattern. I like the options. I definitely much prefer the V neck of this style. So I'm thinking that I am going to do the core t-shirt with that V-neck and the length of this other t-shirt pattern. Well, I say t-shirt, but it's this one here. And this one is the Billy pattern by Notches, which is, you're supposed to be able to do it in woven and knits. I think there's an awful lot of ease. It's very, very baggy. If I was to do this again, I will downsize. It's great. I do like the fact that the sleeves are longer, but maybe that's better when it's a woven fabric rather than a jersey. The neckline, it's okay. It's more of a boat. It's quite wide. I like it. I don't mind it. Would I do it again? No. However, the dress version of this has got some great instructions on how to do the side split. And the jersey version also has pockets, which is much better because the Mojo one doesn't have pockets. So I think what I'm going to do is the V-neck of the Mojo with the body of the core and the side slit of the Billy. So I'm going to try and hack all of those three patterns together. But I'm going to wait until summer for that. I have got a fabric in mind. It will be a bit of fun, something that I'll get to do later on. If you want to see it, let me know if it's something that you think you will find useful on how I put these three patterns together. Let me know in the comments, and I'll certainly try my best. I hope this review of the three patterns has been useful. So out of all of these, I think my favourite one is still the one here. The core t-shirt by Closet Core. This fits me perfectly. I am very pleased. It was really easy to make. Once I've done this black one, from cutting the pattern to sewing, it took no more than 3 hours, and I was taking my time, just being overcautious. Very, very pleased. I will do this again in different colours once I buy some more fabric, although I am in a fabric ban. As you can see, I've got quite plenty of fabric already. I've got to move on to different projects, but this t-shirt I will do again and again, and I might actually even have a go at doing a V-shape version of this t-shirt. It's just a perfect fit. It's free. The links for all these patterns are below, but the core t-shirt is the only one that is free. The other two you have to pay for. I'm not affiliate or anything like that, so just feel free to click on the links below. It's worth doing. You will not be disappointed if you make this t-shirt. I hope that was useful. If you like it, subscribe and you will see my coming projects, which the next one is going to be something that is a bit more fun. I've done my capsule item of the month, which I think I'm going to do that every month, a capsule item of the month. But then the next one has got to be something fun, something that I just want to do because it looks great. So until next time, have fun creating.